It is 10:31 a.m. Friday morning, March 31st, 2023. We're looking at the Amtrak Altoona, Pennsylvania station, Norfolk Southern Railroad, Pittsburgh line, originally Pennsylvania Railroad. This is Amtrak number 43, the Pennsylvanian, headed from Pittsburgh, PA to Moynihan Train Hall, Penn Station, New York City. Was due to leave at 10:01 a.m. and on the rear here we have Two Private Cars, Imperial Leaf and Golden Moon, owned by the Charter Manufacturing Company in Mequon, Wisconsin. They do iron and steel production and manufacturing. Cars are in kind of a New York Central Railroad livery. I always see them. They are stabled at the Amtrak station in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I see them there frequently. And they use the cars to treat their customers royally. So they probably have some of their customers aboard. And to get from Chicago to Pittsburgh, they probably were coupled to the rear of Amtrak's Capital Limited. And to get from Milwaukee to Chicago, probably coupled to the rear of an Amtrak Hiawatha service train. Highball Altoona, number 43. It's got one P42 General Electric diesel electric locomotive, one baggage car, one Amfleet business class car, one Amfleet Cafe, 4 Amfleet coaches, and the 2 private cars owned by a Charter Manufacturing Company. And he would have just come down the east slope of the Allegheny Mountains, summit at Gallitzin, PA. Just a few miles west of here, would have rounded the world famous Horseshoe Curve. And it's now 10:34 a.m. Friday morning, March 31st, 2023. And the building with the dome is the Catholic Church, Altoona, Pennsylvania, Norfolk Southern Railroad, Amtrak, Pennsylvania Railroad, over and out.